Let's replace the engine air filter on this 2024 Chevy Trax. Alright, this is a 1.2 engine, and the engine air filter is located on the driver's side next to the battery. So we're going to start by removing this cover here. That's the air duct for the engine air filter box. Remove those two pushmen here. You can use a flat base screwdriver to pop this off. Okay. Same thing here. Now we're gonna remove this. We're gonna push this tab. Okay. There it is. Now we're gonna use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove those 3 Phillips head screws right here. And there is one more down here in the corner. Pick up and let's take the old filter out. Here it is. That's the new one, old one. It goes in that way. Okay. Put your screws in, and that's it. Now we're gonna reinstall this. We're going to slide it under this plastic piece here, and make sure those two can line up. Here is the other part of it, where it's going to go to. And voila guys, that's how you do it. And I'm gonna show you how to reset the engine air filter life. We're inside the vehicle here, and you turn your key on. The multi-function switch on the driver's side here to control the cluster, and we're going to go on vehicle. You hit select, go vehicle, and you're going to scroll down to find the engine air filter life. There it is here, and you push the button here, option, reset, and you twist it to go up. Yes, that's it guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one guys.